Did you know that for 50 years, American shoe stores used machines that slowly poisoned children? From the 1920s to the 70s, kids would slip their feet into glowing green boxes. They'd wiggle their toes and watch their bones dance on the screen. Parents thought it was magic. Store owners called it progress. It was actually a death machine. These X-ray devices had zero safety shields. They blasted radiation levels 100 times stronger than modern medical scans. Children pressed their faces against the viewers, absorbing deadly doses with every visit. Store employees who used them daily started losing their hair, developing cancer, getting severe burns that wouldn't heal. Some kids had the skin literally burn off their feet weeks later, but the manufacturers knew. They buried health studies, covered up the evidence, kept marketing these machines as perfectly safe family fun. For decades, they fought every attempt at regulation while knowingly poisoning millions of customers. The industry chose profits over children's lives, and parents had no idea they were watching their kids get irradiated.